Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. This practice will help you settle back into your own body, reconnecting with your innate stability and grounding. Take a moment to settle in. For today's meditation, consider sitting on a chair so that you can feel your feet flat to the ground beneath them. As you drop the weight of your body into your chair, let your spine lengthen fully. Feel your sitting bones anchoring downward, and from that grounding, allow your back to get long, the crown of your head lengthening upward. Feel yourself landing into your body, into this space. And as you root down through your seat, lengthen through your spine. And let your shoulders and arms relax. If you haven't yet, gently close your eyes. Take a few deep, full breaths. Inhale all the way to the top of your lungs. And as you exhale, giving yourself permission to land a little more. Every exhale is an opportunity to settle in deeply, grounding into your seat and into your feet. Thoughts may come and go. Without judgment, keep coming back to your breath. Landing into your exhales, let them connect you deeply into this sense of grounding. Now begin to direct your breath. With your inhale, simply allow your lungs and ribs to expand. And as you exhale, direct your breath downward toward your feet. Inhaling, lungs and ribs balloon outward. Exhaling, Move your breath down the length of your spine, into your sitting bones, down through your legs, all the way to the place where your feet connect to the earth. And gently release this visualization. Allow your breath to settle into a comfortable, spontaneous rhythm. And with your natural breath, feel your feet. Your feet are grounded, stable, connected to the earth beneath them. And through your feet and sitting bones anchoring deeply, allow this upward movement through your spine, sitting tall, rooting down to rise up. Become aware of the stability of your own legs and feet as they connect to the ground. This stability exists throughout your whole body, in the structure and density of your bones and muscles. Continue observing your breath rise and fall as you rest in your experience. Grounded, stable, anchored. When we face a difficult situation, especially if it involves change, it's normal to feel like we are losing the ground beneath us. Our reference points seem to vanish, and we're left feeling shaky and unsure. But in those moments, when we feel disconnected and ungrounded, our breath and body can become our ally. As we bring awareness to our breath moving, we can focus on guiding it downward, directing our exhales towards the earth. We then begin to reconnect with our inherent stability, feeling into the density of our body and intentionally steering our attention towards our feet. And we can consciously recognize the earth holding us. This allows our mind and body to quiet enough so that we can tap into our own strength and perseverance, finding the grit we need to keep moving forward. Now, breathing deeply, slowly bring yourself back into the room around you. Make small movements with your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed the session today. See you again soon.